Ever wondered why your neighbor's garden looks so lush and healthy? The secret could be mulching. Mulching, a simple yet effective gardening technique, plays a key role in creating a thriving garden. It not only helps in retaining soil moisture, but also keeps those pesky weeds at bay. More so, it acts as a slow-releasing fertilizer, enhancing the fertility of your soil over time. Quite the multitasker, isn't it? Now that we've whetted your appetite with the benefits, let's dive into the process. Mulching is a simple process that anyone can master. Here's how. First and foremost, it's crucial to select the right mulch for your garden. There's a wide variety to choose from, including organic mulches like straw and compost, or inorganic options like rocks or rubber. Each type has its benefits and drawbacks, so make sure to pick one that suits your garden's needs and your personal preferences. Next, prepare your garden bed. This involves removing any weeds as they compete with your plants for nutrients and water. Once the weeds are gone, water the soil thoroughly. This encourages the roots of your plants to grow deep into the ground, making them more resilient and healthy. Now comes the fun part, applying the mulch. Spread a layer of your chosen mulch around your plants and trees, but be careful not to make it too thick or too thin. A layer about 2 to 4 inches deep is usually just right. This helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Lastly, water the mulch lightly after application. This helps it settle and prevents it from blowing away in the wind. And there you have it, a simple guide to mulching. Your garden will thank you for it. So, there you have it, the secret to a lush, healthy garden. Mulching nourishes your plants, conserves water, and wards off pests. Why not give it a go in your garden? Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy mulching!